In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can push events from your spreadsheet to your Google Calendar with the help of AppScript. So I have some events right here already listed on this table. And what I'm going to do is to sync this into my Google Calendar. So let me quickly first open my calendar right here. I have no events for this month yet. But when I do sync this by using this custom function or this custom menu, which I've created again with the help of AppScript, if I click on this and click on Sync Events, now it's going to tell me that 3 events have been added to my Google Calendar. If I click on OK, here we have it. So the team meeting is scheduled for August 10, birthday party on August 15, and project deadline on the 20th of August. All of them have been synced into my calendar, and that is with the help again of AppScript and AI. So let me show you how I did this. I have this example right here. So these are different examples, different events, and this is my calendar with the synced events already. So let me just close that, and what I'm going to do is to open ChatGPT. So we're going to be using ChatGPT to help us create this script because, again, as I've mentioned before, I have no background in coding or creating JavaScript. But if you do have, of course, you can always create your own script to create that custom function of syncing your events from Sheets to Google Calendar. So when you do get to ChatGPT, what you're going to ask it is to create an app script that will create a special or custom menu that will allow you to sync the events that you have in that existing spreadsheet to your Google Calendar. So once it creates that app script, all you have to do is to copy it right here, then go back to your spreadsheet, go to extensions, select app script, wait for it to load. So this is going to open in a brand new tab. Here we have it. So anything that is in that script, we're going to delete it and paste in the one that ChatGPT has created for us. So after that, all we have to do now is save. Once that's saved, you can just click on Run and wait for it to be executed. So you will review some permissions right here. Once you're done allowing those permissions, the execution will be started and completed. Now you can just simply close this off and go back to your spreadsheet. So now you will immediately see that custom function already added into your menu bar. If I go to my calendar first to open that, these are the ones that we just synced with the previous example. Now we have new ones which are on August 13, 19, and 25. So if I click on Calendar Sync at the top, then click on Sync Events again, it will now tell me that 3 more events have been added to my Google Calendar, and here we have them. August 13th for the family outing, we have the engagement party on the 19th, and the office cleanup on August 25. And there you have it. We were able to create this custom function that allows us to sync events from our Google Sheets to our Google Calendar with the help of AppScript and ChatGPT. If you want to learn more on how to use AI or Gemini here in Google Sheets, I have a full playlist that I'll be linking to at the top right corner for you to check out. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I have a separate guide in the description below that you should also check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.